the streets where the rain falls heavy, God walks with us strong and free. Through the chains of history's sorrow, she lifts up voices, breaking every barrier. In the whispers of the wind so soft, her love speaks through the darkest cloud. From the fields where cotton once grew, to the mountains where spirits renew. Oh God, here's a black woman standing tall. In her grace we find our call. With every step she breaks the mold. In her arms we feel the world unfold. Through the tears and through the joy, she holds us close, she shows us why. In her strength we see our own. Together we rise like the dawn. In the echoes of the past, her spirit guides us to the last. From the depths of the ocean blue to the stars above, she's always true. When the world feels cold and harsh, her warmth envelops, she doesn't mar. With every breath she fills our soul. In her light we find our goal. Oh God is a black woman shining bright. In her light we find our might. With every beat she sets us free. In her love we see eternity. Oh God is a black woman standing tall. In her grace we find our call. With every step she breaks the mold. In her arms we feel the world